Been a while. Want to go to Florida?
You're one of our nearly 7 million visitors. Welcome to the City Beautiful. Here, imagination becomes reality in our theme parks and attractions.
Hey guys, so I'm staying in a hostel. This is my second hostel I've ever stayed at, and it's a lot different. There isn't enough space to really make my luggage secure. So I'm not gonna leave to get dinner for like an abundance of time. I'm going to run and grab water and like a snack. But I'll show you around real quick before I have people come join me. Here's my little locker. This is my bunk bed. I'm the top bunk, which is kind of funny because I've never been able to go down ladders very well. We have a little fridge and a microwave. Drawers. A trash. Sink. I don't know why I called it a thing. And our bathroom. There will be 2, 4, 6 girls sharing this room. I think it'll be fine. Making experiences. And this is an experience. Yeah, it's an experience. I kind of feel bad for taking up so much space because look at my big ass suitcase. And I don't even, like, I think this is my one girl's bag. So far, one girl. There's 2 towels in the bathroom, so maybe there's 2 girls in here. So far, 1 bed a mess. 1 bed, 1 towel on a bed. Do I have 2 roommates? Possibly. So the initial shock has worn off, and I did my hair because humidity and stuff. But I figure it's fine. It's fine. And my roommate was sleeping when I came in. The lights were off, and I tried to fumble around because I didn't want to wake her up. And I figure we already have something in common. She likes to sleep, and I do sleep. And so there. It's only one night. I can do anything for one night. One of the most adorable things about this room is that it has the numbers of our beds on our little towel hooks. Kind of reminds me of the Snow White dwarves because how they have the names on their beds. I have my glasses on, which means that it is the conclusion of day 1. Yay, we did it. This trip is going to be a lot of inexpensive meets expensive. And what I mean by that is I'm going to both make my cheap side happy by staying at the hostel, and I'm gonna make my bougie side happy by staying at a DVC resort, which will be the Animal Kingdom Lodge. And that's the first time I have ever stayed at a Disney resort, let alone a DVC one, which is Disney Vacation Club for those that don't know. And it's kind of like a timeshare. You can own property and stuff like that. This will be a deluxe studio. For example, my room, well, my bed here in this room cost me $40 for one night. And my portion, I'm splitting this with my friend Leanna for the DVC, would be $452 for 3 nights. After that, I'm going to stay at a standard hotel. And we are also going to be having a lot of quick service meals. But we are going to go to Topolino's Terrace tomorrow for breakfast. I am so excited for this because I love the way Minnie dresses for that breakfast, and I also have never been inside that resort before, so I'm a collector of new experiences that I want to share with you. And we will be dining at the Cake Bake Shop, which is the newest, I want to say hotel, but it's the newest restaurant at the boardwalk, and it's known for their higher prices but beautiful ambiance, and I love a good ambiance. And so Disney, take my money. Oh, only like sometimes because I do also want like cheaper things. I don't know, I'm of two minds, and I'm going to share that all with you, and that way you can decide what you want to do when you come as well. And I just want to say thank you for watching with me and wandering through this Disney trip with me. I hope you had a great time, and thank you for watching. Bye.